Success means different things to different people, so the path to success will vary depending on individual goals and aspirations. However, here are some general tips that can help you achieve success. 1. Set clear goals. Define what success means to you and set clear and measurable goals that align with your definition of success. 2. Develop a plan. Create a plan of action that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. 3. Take action. Take consistent and focused action towards your goals, even if it means taking small steps. 4. Learn from your failures. Don't be afraid to fail, but rather learn from your mistakes and use them as an opportunity to grow and improve. 5. Stay focused and persistent. Success often requires a lot of hard work and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward, even when faced with challenges. 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you, and who can provide guidance and support when you need it. 7. Continuously learn and improve. Keep learning and growing, and strive to improve yourself and your skills over time. 8. Embrace challenges. Rather than avoiding challenges, embrace them as opportunities to learn, grow, and develop new skills. Challenges can also help you to build resilience and perseverance. 9. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, support your goals, and encourage you to pursue your dreams. A strong support system can provide you with the motivation, guidance, and accountability you need to succeed. 10. Manage your time effectively. Time is a valuable resource, so it's important to manage it wisely. Set priorities, create a schedule, and learn to say no to activities that are not aligned with your goals. 11. Stay organized. Being organized can help you to stay focused and productive. Keep your workspace tidy, create to-do lists, and use tools such as calendars, planners, and apps to help you stay on track. 12. Take care of your physical and mental health. Success requires energy and focus, so it's important to take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, and practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation or yoga. 13. Seek feedback and advice. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback or advice from others. This can help you to identify blind spots, learn from others' experiences, and gain new insights that can help you to achieve your goals. Remember that success is not just about achieving your goals, but also about enjoying the journey and learning from your experiences. By adopting a growth mindset and continually striving to improve, you can set yourself up for success in all areas of your life. For any questions, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.